Okay, he, after he, okay,
is
he is,
taking
mm-hmm.
the box
Yes, good. The boxes, ah, where? Where is he taking the boxes?
office.
Office. Okay, you have two choices. Whether you want to put to the office or from the office. Okay. Teacher put here to lah. Okay, so he is taking the boxes to the office. Okay. Dia membawa kotak ke pejabat. To the office. Okay, you have to add the word to the. Okay. All right. Done or not, Avril?
Dan
Okay. All right. Mm, okay. Next one. Number 11.
whose phone is ringing.
Whose phone is ringing? The answer is
Mother
mother.
phone is
Yes. Very good. Mothers. Don't forget to put your apostrophe and S. Okay. Mother's phone is ring.
ringing. Ring.
Ringing. Good. Okay. Why we put like this? Mother's phone. Okay. Means the phone belongs to the mother. Okay. You cannot forget. You have to put this one. Apostrophe and S. Okay. Mother's phone is ringing. This one, the small thing here we call this one, the small like this. If we write down, we write like this. Mothers. Then a small line here, toing, like that. Then got S here. This one we call, follow teacher, apostrophe.
Apostrophe.
Yes, okay, apostrophe. Apostrophe. Okay. Mother's phone. For example, Avril's book. This is teacher's phone. For example, okay. This is my daughter's watch. Okay. You have to put apostrophe there. Okay. So last one, number 12. And then we finish. Okay. Last one.
Whose money are they borrowing?
Yes. Whose money are they borrowing? Same one. Same question. Whose? So your answer is?
Zul
Where's
has
your apostrophe? Same like this.
Zul
S. Zul. Do we say Zul money or Zul's money?
Zul's
Yes. Okay, Zul's money. Okay. Whose money are they borrowing? Okay. Okay. This question, you cannot start with Zul. You have to start with this one. Okay. So you have to see the question. Okay. So whose money are they borrowing? They are. How you
they
answer?
are
Okay.
borrowing
Mm-hmm.
Zul's money. Zul
Good, Avril. Okay, they are borrowing Zul's money. Okay. So not all question. just the one teacher said just now. Okay? Wait. They are borrowing Zul's money. Okay? So not all whose, whom question starts with the answer first. Okay? But mostly start with the answer. Okay? Okay, so they are borrowing Zul's money. Okay, you done?
And
Done. Okay, Avril. So we finish here.